Ethanol produces fewer emissions, but has lower BTUs, which means it produces less power and fewer miles per gallon. Ethanol holds up to 50% more moisture than gasoline, which may cause phase separation as ethanol and water separate from gasoline and settle in the bottom of the tank. Moisture in the gas tank may cause fuel system corrosion and poor cold weather starting. Ethanol is a mildly acidic molecule, which further accelerates the corrosion process of metal components. Phase-separated ethanol must be manually removed from the vehicle's fuel tank through a costly evacuation process. The BG Ethanol Fuel System Defender service includes a cleaner, BG Ethanol Fuel System Defender, part number 213, and a dryer, BG Ethanol Fuel System Dryer, part number 281. For corrosion protection at each fill-up, BG Ethanol Corrosion Preventer, part number 212, will restrict fuel oxidation, gums, and varnish, and protect metal components from corrosion. Today's engines have a defense against ethanol corrosion with the BG Ethanol Fuel System Defender service from BG Products Incorporated.
We will start by adding 1 to 2 inches of 87 octane or gasoline to each test tube. On both sides, we'll add 5 to 10 drops of water or moisture that will immediately go to the bottom of the tube. Also in both test tubes, we're going to add 1 drop of food coloring or dye to attach itself to the ethanol in the water so we can see the moisture easier. You can see how the dye attracts to the moisture and it drops to the bottom of the test tube immediately. On the one side, we're going to add the #1 selling product of this type. Many that try to take that title away, but you, by their claims, you would expect for the product to put everything into solution. We're going to shake that product, and you'll be able to see how it starts to phase separate immediately. Moisture and ethanol at the bottom of the fuel tank. On the other side, we're going to add BG Ethanol Fuel System Dryer. You can see immediately how the product stays in solution, allowing that moisture to be burnt out through the fuel system and not remain in your fuel tank. Even by adding more moisture or water into the system, you can see that it still remains suspended in the sample. BG Ethanol Fuel System Dryer.